10 engine warnings that can destroy your car. Your car might be silently screaming for help. Engine warnings aren't just annoying lights or sounds. They're signals that something could be going seriously wrong. Ignoring them could lead to catastrophic engine failure, leaving you stranded with a huge repair bill. Let's break down the top 10 engine warnings you can't afford to dismiss. The check engine light is more than a minor annoyance. It's your car's way of waving a red flag. While it can indicate something simple like a loose gas cap, it may also mean a critical issue like engine misfires or faulty components. Proactively addressing this warning could save your engine and wallet. If the oil pressure warning illuminates, stop driving immediately. This warning signals a drop in oil supply, which is vital to keeping your engine parts lubricated. Continuing to drive with low oil pressure can lead to major internal damage, often resulting in complete engine failure. When the temperature gauge hits critical levels, your engine is overheating. Ignoring this warning can cause warped cylinder heads or a cracked engine block. Pull over, turn off the engine, and let it cool. Driving with an overheated engine is one of the quickest ways to destroy it. Low coolant levels may seem like a minor issue, but it's a big deal. Coolant prevents your engine from overheating by regulating its temperature. If this warning appears, check your coolant level and ensure there are no leaks in the system. Resolving it early can save you from costly repairs. Skipping an oil change might seem harmless, but dirty oil thickens and loses its effectiveness, leading to sludge buildup. Over time, this can choke your engine and damage key components. Pay attention to this reminder. It's designed to keep your car running smoothly and extend the engine's lifespan. This warning often means your car's computer has detected a problem with the engine or transmission systems. It could indicate issues with airflow, fuel delivery, or a failing part. Driving with reduced power isn't just inconvenient, it can worsen the underlying problem, causing long-term damage. Excessive exhaust smoke or strange smells are major warning signs. Blue smoke points to burning oil, black smoke means too much fuel, and white smoke suggests a coolant leak. Similarly, a burning smell could point to an overheated engine or transmission, both of which require immediate attention. Engines aren't supposed to tick or knock loudly. Ticking noises might suggest low oil levels, while knocking can indicate a detonation problem or worn-out bearings. Regardless of the cause, these sounds mean your engine is in trouble. Acting fast could prevent these issues from growing worse. Though technically not part of the engine, a failing battery or alternator can put additional strain on your engine and electrical systems. Ignoring this warning could shut down essential functions or leave you stranded. Get your battery or alternator checked the moment this light appears. A flashing fuel system warning may indicate a clogged fuel filter, bad fuel pump, or improper air-to-fuel mixture. These can make it harder for your vehicle to start or run efficiently, and in extreme cases, can even damage your engine. A professional inspection is essential if you see this alert. Ignoring engine warnings might save time in the short term, but can devastate your car in the long run. These alerts are your vehicle's way of safeguarding its health and keeping you safe on the road. Pay attention, investigate promptly, and take action to prevent serious failures. Now that you know these warnings, don't wait for disaster to strike. If your car shows any of these signs, act immediately. Check your manual, inspect the issue, or visit a trusted mechanic. Protect your ride and your wallet. Hit like and subscribe for more car-saving tips, and share this to help fellow drivers.